Welcome back, dear creative. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate the images you need for the folk tales you want to create. In the previous videos I've showed you how to generate your title ideas, how to write your scripts, how to turn your script to voiceover, and we are now in the fifth step, which is how to generate the images needed. If you have not seen the previous video, in the description of this video you are currently watching, you will see a link to a playlist where all the videos are uploaded. Check it out. So, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to generate the image needed, and we are going to be using two AI image creator. I'm going to be showing you how to use two of my favorite AI image creator. If you have any other AI image creator that you like using, you can use them. But for this, I'm going to be using the AI image creator I'm familiar with or that I like using, which is Bing Image Creator and the Leonardo AI image creator. So I just signed in using one of my Google accounts and it brought me to this interface. Remember, you can use the same thing on your PC or on your phone. So say let's pick your username. Let me just say Toria. Then why are you interested in? Just pick something. Just pick something, pick something, pick something. So it said my username is already picked. Let me just use Storia Tech Blog. Then it's going to validate my username. Then I confirm that I am over 18. Then next. So my account is ready. Then as you can see, there are many things you can do on this website, but I will not be showing you everything right now. If you want to learn more about how you can use these AI tools, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so that you won't miss out when I drop new tutorial. So we are just going to focus on image generation. So I'll tap on image generation and it's going to bring me to this interface. So it say upgrade now. I'm just going to cancel because I don't need to upgrade for the meantime. So as you can see here, you have 150 coins, and every 3 hours it will roll over. That means you have 150 coins. If you exhaust it right now, in the next 3 hours when you come back to your account, you are going to see another 150 coins there. So you can actually use this very well. So I had to put it on desktop mode, sorry, because of some features I wanted to show out. So in previous video I've showed you how you can put your browser in desktop mode, but if you don't want, you can just leave it that way. So at the side here, this option is not on Bing Image Creator. We are going to be selecting how we want it to show, because this under this advanced control, because we are trying to create a YouTube image, a YouTube video. That's the children's stories for YouTube and not for any other platform. So we need the photos to be in the 16:9 orientation, because that's the standard for YouTube. So we'll come here and pick 16:9. Sorry, we pick 16:9. Then once we pick 16:9, I'm going to select number of images. I don't want it to generate 4 images. I want just 3. If you want just 2, you can just put 2. So if you select 4 images, it's going to take 20 credits. That's 5 credits for 1 image. So I'm just going to leave it at 3 this thing. Then I'm going to lock it. I'm going to lock it here so that it's going to lock for every image I will be creating right now. So I've locked it. As you can see, the key I've changed. If I unlock it, then lock. So it has locked. Now it's time to input our prompt, and this is where we are going to put our prompt right here. Type a prompt. So we have to go back to our script right now, because we need to follow the script to know what we are generating. We are going to be following the script, so we need to study the script and know what to create. So it said, once upon a time in a village nestled by the bank of the great river Niger. So we are number 1, that's a village by river Niger. Then number 2, a boy named Chukwudi. That means we are going to be creating another image of a boy. Then Chukwudi was known for his cleverness and quick thinking. Number 3, then, but the village was plugged. Number 4, mischievous spirits. Number 5, that locked in waters. So we are going to be creating 5 images from this big from this first paragraph. So you can choose to create more so that your video will be more engaging when you finish creating it, but I'm just going to be generating these 5. So let's just start with, let me just copy it. I'll copy the 5 prompts. Okay, so I've finished copying it. Then I'm going to go back to the Leonardo AI. So I just finished copying the prompt in 4 different places. Then I'm going to paste the first one here right now. I don't want this video to be too long, so I paste it once upon a time. So I'm going to edit this prompt right now, that generate a photo of a Nigerian local village, or I should just say Africa local village. Africa local village nestled by the banks of the great river Niger. So I paste it there. I'm just going to tap on generate, and it's already generating my pictures for me right now. Let's just wait for few seconds, and we have our photo ready. So let's just tap on it so that we can download. So if you zoom it in, that's if you are using desktop mode, you are going to see the download button right here. If you are also using the normal phone that's how you are going to see the download button there. So download it, then tap on allow, then you can download the photo. So I've downloaded that one. I'm going to download everything. So I've downloaded it. Then I'm going to follow this same step to generate the other photos for all the scripts. So this is how you do it. It requires your time, but you are going to have to give it the time. So then I'm going to say generate a photo of a young boy living in an African village, of a young clever boy. So I'm generating the other script right now. I added professional colors, soft lighting, and realistic image. So let's just see what it's going to create for us. I'm not going to be creating everything, but the idea I used to create this one, you should be able to use it to create your own video. I hope you get. So let's just download these ones right now. So I'm going to download all the images too. They are looking alike, so I might need to use it interchangeably in the video. So I said it should generate the photo of an African village plugged by mischievous spirits, soft lightning, magical, realistic. So let's just see what it's going to give us. Okay, wow, I love this. So I'm just going to select it and download these pictures also. Now the last one, because it's talking about the spirit plugging the river. So I said it should generate photo of African village by river Niger plugged by a spirit in the water, and I added magical, realistic, soft lightning, African village, detailed and professional. So you can add these words to make it understand how you want the image to be. So I think this one is still better. So I can say it should create something else for me, since it's not really showing it as if there's an evil spirit right here. So let's just try something else. So I'm generating a African water spirit right now. So this is where we are going to stop for generating with Leonardo AI, and I'm just going to quickly show you how you can generate image using Bing AI image creator. Okay, the picture is not really giving, but let's just check it out. So these are the pictures. Like I said, this is how you do it. Let me quickly show you how to generate with Bing AI image if you are going to use that. So you can decide to select Bing image creator. Then if you don't know how to sign in or create an account on Microsoft for Bing, there's a video included in the description of this video you're currently watching. So check it out. There is a video dedicated to how to create an account on Bing there for you. So I'm already signed in, and here I have just 15 credits left. Let me just say it should generate image. Let's just use it to generate one image. Let's say so I said generate picture of an African village by the river Niger. The village is plugged by a mischievous spirit called river spirit. Magical, soft, detailed, professional. So let's see what it's going to create for us. You can use any other image generator you like to use, but I prefer using these two that I just showed you. So here is the image it's generated for us. It generated it in a magical way. Once it generates the image for you, you are going to see a 3 dots at the right hand side of your screen. You can just select it to download anyone you like. So let's just download anyone. Then we are done with the first paragraph. So this is how you do it for all your scripts. Time will not allow me to do it for the whole 2-minute video, but I'm sure you already have an idea on how it is done. So go ahead and try it out. I'll see you in the next video.